Hello, Money Minds. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we're all about decoding the complex world of finance and investments, helping you make informed decisions on your financial journey. Today, we're about to dive into a riveting tale of leadership transition, market reactions, and future implications. We're talking about none other than Snowflake Inc., the cloud-based data warehousing company that has been making headlines recently. So grab your cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dissect the surprising developments in Snowflake's leadership and what it means for the company's future and the tech industry at large. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. How did the recent shift in Snowflake's leadership impact its stock market performance? Let's delve into this. The news of Snowflake's CEO Frank Slootman's retirement sent shockwaves through the investor community, triggering a dramatic drop in Snowflake's share price by over 20%. This unexpected announcement was a curveball, particularly considering Slootman's pivotal role in the company's trajectory since he took the helm in 2019. Slootman, a seasoned leader with a knack for steering tech companies to success, was instrumental in guiding Snowflake through its blockbuster initial public offering in 2020. His leadership saw the company evolve from a promising tech startup into a major player in the cloud data landscape, marking an impressive growth story in the tech industry. However, all good things must come to an end, and so it is with Slootman's tenure as the CEO of Snowflake. While his decision to retire may have jolted the stock market and left investors scrambling, it's worth noting that he isn't departing entirely. The 65-year-old tech veteran will continue to lend his strategic insights to Snowflake, albeit from a different role, as he remains the chairman of the board. As Slootman steps down from his role as CEO, remaining as the chairman of the board, it leaves a significant gap in the company's leadership. The question now is, who will fill these substantial shoes, and how will this shift affect Snowflake's future? With Slootman's departure, who takes the helm at Snowflake, you ask? Well, the answer is none other than Sridhar Ramaswamy. A seasoned leader in the tech industry, Ramaswamy is stepping up to fill the CEO role at Snowflake, bringing with him a wealth of experience and a proven track record of success. Before taking on this new role, Ramaswamy was already a key figure at Snowflake, overseeing the company's artificial intelligence initiatives. His leadership in this area has been instrumental in positioning Snowflake as a forerunner in the field of AI, a testament to his forward-thinking approach and strategic vision. But Ramaswamy's experience extends far beyond Snowflake. Prior to joining the company, he held leadership roles at Google, where he managed advertising products. This experience at one of the world's leading tech giants has undoubtedly equipped him with the expertise necessary to navigate the competitive landscape that Snowflake operates in. Furthermore, Ramaswamy's entrepreneurial spirit is another asset that he brings to the table. Last year, Snowflake acquired Neeva, a search startup co-founded by Ramaswamy himself. This acquisition is not only a strategic move for Snowflake, but it also demonstrates Ramaswamy's ability to identify and capitalize on innovative opportunities. So, as we look to the future of Snowflake under Ramaswamy's leadership, we can expect a continued focus on innovation, strategic growth, and an unwavering commitment to staying at the forefront of the tech industry. Ramaswamy's appointment comes at a pivotal time, as Snowflake navigates a competitive and rapidly evolving tech landscape. With his extensive experience, innovative mindset, and proven leadership, there is no doubt that Ramaswamy is well equipped to guide Snowflake through this next chapter. The announcement of a change in leadership often triggers a reaction in the stock market. But how did the market respond to this particular news? The answer, in a word, was sharply. Following the announcement of CEO Frank Slootman's retirement, Snowflake's shares took a steep dive, dropping over 20% in after-hours trading. This sudden fall was undoubtedly a knee-jerk reaction from the investors, reflecting their immediate sentiment towards the change. To understand the reasons behind this sharp fall, we must consider the wider context. Slootman, who had been at the helm since 2019, guided Snowflake through its blockbuster IPO in 2020. His leadership was instrumental in the company's growth trajectory and market performance. His decision to step down, therefore, was met with uncertainty and apprehension from the market. Moreover, the timing of the announcement coincided with a disappointing sales outlook for the year, which could have compounded the effect on the stock price. The double whammy of a leadership change and less than ideal financial prospects would likely have rattled investors, resulting in the share price drop. However, it's worth noting that such reactions are often temporary and share prices can recover as the market adjusts to the new reality. The appointment of Sridhar Ramaswamy, a seasoned tech executive with a track record of success, may very well stabilize the situation in the coming weeks. The market's reaction is also a reflection of the high stakes and rapid pace of the tech industry. Companies like Snowflake, operating in a competitive and rapidly evolving landscape, are under constant scrutiny from investors who are quick to respond to any perceived shifts in their fortunes. It's clear that the market reaction to Snowflake's leadership change was significant, with investors anxiously awaiting to see how this will impact the company's future performance. What does this leadership change mean for the future of Snowflake? As we look ahead, it's crucial to consider the potential outcomes of this shift in leadership. With Sridhar Ramaswamy taking the helm, Snowflake is poised to leverage his extensive expertise in artificial intelligence. Given his impressive track record at Google, where he oversaw advertising products, Ramaswamy brings a unique perspective that could drive the company's growth in new and exciting directions. His leadership role at Snowflake has already been marked by strategic decisions, including last year's acquisition of the search startup, Neeva, which he co-founded. This move signals a commitment to innovation and a forward-thinking approach that could be instrumental in navigating an increasingly competitive tech landscape. However, as with any change, there are uncertainties. Shareholders are naturally concerned about how this shift will impact Snowflake's future performance. Will Ramaswamy be able to continue Slootman's legacy of growth and success? Or could his leadership bring about unforeseen challenges? These are questions that investors will be closely monitoring. Yet, it's important to remember that change can also bring opportunity. With Ramaswamy's leadership, Snowflake may find new avenues for growth and expansion. His experience with AI and his knowledge of the tech industry could lead to innovative solutions that further solidify Snowflake's position in the market. Moreover, Slootman's continued role as chairman of the board ensures a level of continuity that may help to ease the transition. His experience and leadership will continue to be an asset to the company, providing guidance and stability during this period of change. Overall, the future of Snowflake is not set in stone. The company's trajectory will depend on how effectively it can leverage its strengths, navigate challenges, and adapt to an ever-changing tech landscape. As Ramaswamy takes the reins, the coming months will be pivotal in shaping the company's future. The future of Snowflake under the leadership of Sridhar Ramaswamy is undoubtedly a topic of keen interest for investors and market watchers alike. The recent events at Snowflake have certainly stirred the waters. Let's recap the main points. We started with the unexpected announcement of CEO Frank Slootman's retirement, sending ripples through the tech and investment communities. Slootman's tenure saw Snowflake through its successful IPO and significant growth phases. Despite stepping down as CEO, he will continue to influence the company's trajectory as the chairman of the board. The torch has now been passed to Sridhar Ramaswamy, an industry veteran with a notable track record in artificial intelligence and leadership roles at Google. His appointment as CEO comes on the heels of Snowflake's acquisition of Neeva, a search startup co-founded by Ramaswamy himself. The immediate market response was a significant plunge in Snowflake's shares by over 20% in after-hours trading. This drop reflects the market's initial reaction to the unexpected change in leadership and the uncertainty it brings. However, it's important to remember that the market is dynamic, and these numbers can and will fluctuate over time. Looking ahead, there are several potential implications for Snowflake. The company operates in a highly competitive and rapidly evolving tech landscape. With Ramaswamy at the helm, it's anticipated that he could leverage his expertise in artificial intelligence and his experience in leading tech giants to steer Snowflake towards continued growth and innovation. However, as with any leadership change, there will be challenges. Shareholders and market watchers will be keeping a close eye on Snowflake's performance under its new leadership, scrutinizing every move and decision. As we continue to monitor Snowflake's journey under its new leadership, it will be interesting to see how the company navigates the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. All right, money minds, that's a wrap for today's video. We've delved into the unexpected leadership change at Snowflake, the market's reaction, and the potential future implications. As always, the world of finance is ever-evolving and full of surprises. To stay updated and get more insights into the financial world, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss what we've got in store for you next. Remember, knowledge is power in the world of investing. So until our next video, keep investing wisely, and we'll see you soon.